Yeah. There's a sign for the Conor Pass. Oh, it's double then. Yeah, I always thought it was one N. Yeah, Conor Pass there, 560. Attention. Three-kilometre climber on that little cycle sign back there. They're quite good, aren't they, for the cyclists? Those signs that tell you the incline and for how long it is.
Yeah, they are good, yeah. Yeah, because the first time we did this, we did it from the other way, if you remember.
Again, I think we're up before the coach trips.
Yeah, because it's before, is it not quite 10 o'clock yet, is it?
It's 10:30.
10:30, is it?
Yeah, already, yeah. That's a curvy road, this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Another 500 metres to the top, got no signs. No cyclists yet. Oh, speak of the devil. This must be the partner waiting for them. I'm just going to plonk it here. Throw a photo. Okay, Conor Pass getting very busy. See the sticker on our little signpost here, on the big post. Oh, what do we say from here?
Oh, it's all downhill from here.
It's all downhill from here. So yeah, this is the narrow bit, isn't it? Said there in the thing that if you're in a motorhome or a wide vehicle, turn back if they're stopped.
No, he's coming now.
So that's the stopping place you should pull into.
Well, there was one on your side as well, which you should have pulled into really, because he's coming uphill.
Ah, good point, yeah.
You're supposed to be giving way, yeah.
Yeah. But I'm sure we know that they're going to make this one way, or was that just for coaches?
I don't know.
Because there's a recommended way of doing the pass. I think it might be opposite to what we're doing. No, you sort of see that view as you come up. But we see it on the way down, so I think both ways are just as good. This seems to be wider than I remember.
Yeah, no, I think the only really narrow bit is the cliff that we've just been through there.
Yeah.
And then the waterfall, which is just down here. Because people park, don't they, in the parking bay down there,
yeah.
look. Hey, that was funny yesterday, last night, wasn't it, when we went through that river?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should stop here and let them come up. Oh, he's letting you go. What a palaver.
Yeah.
Oh, some motorbikes coming up. Not one of them waved,
The first one did.
did he?
There's the waterfall.
I remember us coming once, can you remember? And all the Chinese were there
The
with
Chinese.
plastic bottles, filling them up.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if it was a memento or whether they're actually thirsty. Formed by a glacier from that signpost back there, it says. Much wider road, that wasn't it?
It is a wider, yeah, they've definitely widened it where they possibly can.
Must have done, yeah. I don't remember it being like this good.
I think I need to stop and have a nice strong coffee.
Yeah. And then the one, just that coffee this morning was nice.
Well, it was nice, yeah, I just didn't have enough. The breakfast this morning was delicious.
It was.
Yeah.
Brandon Point.